science class. Today I will discuss to you blood circulation. The circulatory system acts as the transport system that moves the blood throughout the body. This transport system works together with other organs like kidneys and lungs to dispose body waste such as carbon dioxide and liquid waste from the blood. There are two types of blood circulation. These are pulmonary and systemic circulation. Blood in our body flows and circulates in different directions. Blood flows throughout the body through the two paths, namely the pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. These two main routes of circulation both originate from the heart. Pulmonary circulation is the movement of the oxygenated blood from heart and into the lungs. In pulmonary circulation, the oxygenated or oxygen-poor blood coming from the organs and tissues of the body passes through a major vein, the vena cava. The vena cava branches into two: the superior vena cava that collects blood from the head and neck region, and the inferior vena cava that collects blood coming from the lower part of the body. The superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava convey this blood into the heart, where it is received by the right atrium. The blood is then pumped by the right atrium into the right ventricle. As the blood flows from the right atrium to the right ventricles, the tricuspid valves between them are open. When the right ventricles contracts, blood is forced into the lungs, passing through the pulmonary artery. In the lungs, the pulmonary artery subdivides until the smallest pulmonary arterioles are formed. The pulmonary arterioles are connected to the network of pulmonary capillaries that traverse the entire lungs. As blood reaches the network of capillaries that covers the air sacs, exchange of gases occurs between the thin membranes of the cells in the air sacs and capillaries. As the blood leaves the air sacs, the oxygen-rich blood passes through the capillaries and then into the smallest vein called the venules. Venules fuse together, forming small veins until the blood reaches the pulmonary vein. The pulmonary vein then conveys the blood to the left atrium of the heart, completing the pulmonary circulation. The systemic circulation. Systemic circulation is the movement of oxygen blood from the heart to the different parts of the body. The systemic circulation starts from the left atrium that receives the oxygenated blood from the lungs. When the left atrium contracts, the blood goes to the left ventricle. As the blood moves from the left atrium to the left ventricle, the bicuspid valves or mitral valves between them are open. Contraction of the left ventricles forces the blood to the different parts of the body by the way of the aorta, the largest artery. As blood passes through the aorta, the aortic semilunar valves within it are open. The aorta subdivides into small arteries, then forms the smallest arteries called arterioles. These arterioles are connected to the capillaries. When the blood reaches the capillaries, the exchange of gases takes place between the blood and the body cells. Oxygen and nutrients are released into the cells while the blood picks up carbon dioxide. the blood will return to the heart, passing through the veins. Special circuits. The circulatory system works together with the digestive system in transporting nutrients and minerals to all parts of the body. Nutrients are substances in the food that your body needs as energy source for repairing itself and for growing. Capillaries in the intestine absorbs nutrients and deliver the nutrients to your body cells. The path of blood from the arteries to the digestive part of blood returning to the heart is called portal circulation. The urinary system removes waste from the blood. It also helps maintain the water levels in your body. As the cells do life activities, they produce waste. The waste are changed into urine, which is a nitrogen-containing compound. Urine passes with the kidneys to the bladder, which temporarily holds the urine until you urinate. Then, the clean or purified blood will return to the heart by the way of the renal veins. These special circuits where the path of blood flows through the capillaries to the kidneys where water and waste are removed is called renal circulation. The coronary circulation is the path of blood within the heart. The heart needs its own reliable blood supply in order to keep beating. It needs to be nourished with oxygen and nutrients and to remove its waste. There are two main coronary arteries, the left and the right coronary arteries. These arteries branch further to form several major branches. The coronary arteries nourish the vast capillary network. On the average, a single blood cell takes roughly 30 seconds to complete a full circuit through both the pulmonary and systemic circulation. That ends our lesson for today. I hope you learned a lot in our discussion. If you are new in my channel, click the subscribe button, comment, and share for another video lessons to be discussed.